Hi folks, Brendan Reagan here at Guaranty RV. I want to show you the 2018 Sundance 273 RL. That stands for a rear lounge. One of the first things you're going to notice, it's got a front cap with LED lighting with the diamond plating rock guard here at the bottom. It's got the two 5-gallon propane tanks in place for 2 batteries and the power front tongue jack. So it's going to be a double axle coach, fiberglass and aluminum frame. So that's going to be for your lightweight. A lot of this trailer for most half tons, it will be half-ton towable for the newer half tons out there. Unique thing about this trailer, it's got 2 entrances in and out. So we'll have one here for the bedroom, and you'll see the trifold steps there. But that'll be the bedroom in here, so I'll just kind of enter through. Here's got a nice queen size bed with wardrobe on both sides and overhead storage. Also got the fan for air circulation. It's going to have the pull down shades here. And then lots of storage, so you have your wardrobe on each side for a couple of shirts or coats. And then room for places, books or such things up above. So we'll come around here. All right, so right in here is going to be the bathroom. I'll let you sneak by, but you're going to see a nice large shower and a good sized bathroom for a rear lounge coach. Right, so the TV will go right here. We have our Furrion system, which is going to be your DVD, your CD, USB, auxiliary, all of that stuff. One of the things you'll notice, it's got an arched barreled ceiling here. So for taller guys like me, I feel like I have more headroom than I do in some of those flat coaches where I only have maybe an inch or 2 of clearance. So I don't have to duck down under anything. It's got forced AC ducted air. You got the booth dinette. Now this is a larger booth dinette. So bigger guys like me, we could actually fit 4 adults in here. And got lights up above, lots of windows in this coach as well. So over here in our kitchen area, we're going to see a Dometic 8 cubic foot fridge and freezer. And then next to it, we're going to have pantry area. So this is where you're going to put your canned goods, microwavable stuff, things like macaroni and that. All of that can be fit there. Over here, we're going to see our 3-burner stove with the glass back. And then a big suburban oven. And now you'll see a farm sink. So the nice thing about the farm sink, it gives you more room to fit more dishes in there. Sometimes when you have the divider, it seems like things are always kind of leaning across. And I believe, yes, this little, on the faucet there, that'll come down so you can kind of rinse things off. Up above, we're gonna have more storage. LED lighting all the way through. And then this is going to be a jackknife sofa. So this is going to be another sleeping area. So we have, of course, the bed and back. This will fold down into a bed as well. And then you have your jackknife sofa where somebody else can sleep as well. So sleeping for at least 5. More storage up above. And then here's my favorite part. What I really like about the rear lounge coach is you sit back, you back it up to a lake or a river, a good view, and you're able to sit back, have a cup of coffee, and kind of enjoy that trip. It's all about kind of getting away and enjoying that RV experience. So it's got the power awning, the barreled ceiling, all aluminum framed, fiberglass, half-ton towable by most half-tons. And yeah, if you have any more questions about this 2018 Sundance 273 rear lounge, give Brandon Reagan a call at 541-214-0223. Thank you.